Tashi-delek. So let's wait 1, 2. Okay. Hola, so Tashi-delek, Tsangmalo, Tashi-delek.
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 Tashi-delek. Okay. Today we practice a little bit. Okay. Nurmala in the Nurmala.
Hello, Tenzin.
Yes.
I have to be silent today. I'm at work. I'm just observing today.
No problem. Okay.
Mickey.
Thank you.
Mickey.
Thank you for telling me.
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah, Nurmala in the Nurmala. Oh. Pardi karere.
Party gurle.
Pardi kurre pe.
De party gurle.
Pardi thep mare pe.
Mare.
Party dep mare. Party gurle.
That's it. Yagulapsum. Okay. Yen hong la in the yen hong la in the par di tang di karere. Di tang di karere.
Di tang di rugle.
Di tang di ra mare pe.
Di tang di mare. Di tang di rugle. Di tang di ra mare.
That's it. Yagulapsum. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Sonjala in the Sonjala. Sonjala in the par di karere.
Party tepre.
Par di thep repe.
Mare di tepre.
Re. Par di
Re di tepre.
Yagulapsum. Par di mik mare pe.
Mare di mic mare di tepre.
Peago. Okay. Yagulapsum. In the Shemba Sudu. Josephine la in the Josephine la. Josephine la par di karere.
Par di mere.
Par di look marebe.
Mare. Par di look mare. Par di mere.
Par di me repe.
Vere. Par di mare. Mere.
That's it. Yago love song. Okay. Ta in the Marcelo la in the Marcelo la. In the par di thang di karere. Par di thang di karere.
Par di curre. Par di micre.
Peago love song. Okay. Par di mic marepe.
Mare. Par di curre.
Peago.
Mic mare.
Peago. Yago love song. Okay. The McGregor la in the McGregor la. Par di thang di karere.
Par di tang di tep tep look.
Tep tang look gray, you can say. Okay.
Tep tang look gray.
Okay, Yabu love song. Okay. The Rodrigo la in the Rodrigo la. Par di khangpa repe.
Mare padi
Mhm.
padi kure. Padi kure.
Well. Par di kur repe.
Tere. Padi kure.
Oh yeah, Yabu love.
Padi kure.
Okay, Yabu love song. The in the Alona la in the Alona la. Di thang di karere. Mhm. Di. Mhm. Okay. Di karere. Di karere.
Sorry, I'm very lost. Um,
Uh-huh. No problem. Try. Just try, okay? If you got wrong, no problem. That's you are learning. Okay? Mhm.
look,
Re, re.
look,
Re, re. Di look re.
and what is pardi?
Par, picture di.
Ah, okay,
Okay? That's it. If I say par di karere or di karere, almost same.
okay.
Mm. Par, picture or image. Okay?
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Tainda. Par di karere. Alona la. Let's try again. Par di karere.
Pardi look re.
That's it. Par di lucre. Now you can say this to anything. Par di mikre. Par di kurre. Par di thepre. Par di me re.
Okay.
Lasso. The N clear la in the N clear la. Par di lucre pe. Mute reduk. Mute reduk.
Re, lucre,
Par di ra marepe.
mare, lucre,
That's it. Okay. Par di karere.
di curre,
Oh, Yabu love song. Okay. That's it. Hola, so now let's go here. Yeah, Darala in the Darala. Darala. Par di karere.
Par di lire.
Par di loma marepe.
Mare lo mare. Par di lire.
Loma mare. Okay?
Loma mare. Okay.
Okay. Tainda. Rodrigo la in the Rodrigo la. Par di karere.
Par di depre. Tep. Padi tepre.
That's it. Par di mar marepe.
Mare padi tepre.
Okay. If you don't know, then you can ask me the question because you already know how to ask the question. Okay? I'm talking to everyone. When you don't know something, you can ask me. Di karere. You already learned it, right? Okay?
Tenzin La, when there's two books and two sheep, what do you say? Tap tap or look?
No. For that, we will come to it in a little bit. Okay?
Okay.
It will come in the lesson. We will just add up slowly. Okay? Then we have another, like, it's not di. We say dicho. like this. Okay. So that we will come in the letter. Okay. Mhm.
Mhm.
That's it. Okay. Kainda. Nimala inda nimala. Di karere. Nimala.
Tasdilim.
Pesh delek. Di karere.
Di. Tasdilim. Di marme. Marre.
That's it. Di mar re. That's it. Di.
Di marre.
Di mokmok repe.
Di mumu mare.
Yakulafson.
Di mumu mare.
Di mar re.
Allah hoki dugi.
Yes, yes, I can hear. Love song. Yago love song. Okay. Inda. Yeah. Jeepla inda. Jeepla. Jeepla di karere.
Di kure.
Problem with communication.
Di
Di
kure
kure.
pe.
Di.
Re. Di kure.
Oh yeah. Yago love song. Okay. If I didn't call the name, you can practice in the mute. Okay. Wangmola inda. Wangmola. Di karere. Par di karere.
Di lamre.
Di loma repe.
Mare. Di loma mare. Di lamre.
Oh yeah, Yago love song. Inda. Jake la inda. Jake. Jake la inda. Di karere. Par di karere.
Par di pumu re.
Pumores. Or you can say puku. Okay?
Oh, puku. Puku re.
Okay. Then we already learned the question when there is an option. Can you try that, Jake? Okay? Puku di pure pumore.
Puku di pumo re.
That's it. Yago loves. Okay. The fang fang la inda.
Yes.
Fang fang la. Di lam re loma re.
Di ramre.
Di loma marepe.
Di loma mare. Ramre.
Oh yeah, Yago love song. Okay. Okay. Yago love song. Wangmola inda. Wangmola. Par di karere.
Di sore.
Di mik marepe.
Di mik mare. Sore.
Ani par di lakpa re mik re.
Di lapare.
That's it. Okay. Yago che song. Very good. We're doing good. Lasso. Okay. Inda. You can repeat after me in the mute. Okay? Ka. Ka. Tha. Tha. Na. Na. Pa. 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 Ma. Ma. Ah. Ah. Ra. Ra. La. La. Sa. Sa. Ha. Ha. Ah. Ah. Oh yeah. Okay? That's it. Tainda. Okay. Okay. Ah! Ha! Ah! Okay? Ah! Ta! Pa! Sa! Ha! Ka! Ah! Ka! Tha! Pa! Ma! Ra! La! Na! Like this. Okay? Tadi diksong, diba? Okay. So if you want to write down, you can write down this, okay? Ta, ya, cha, ka. Okay. Then writing you should practice also, very important, okay? When you're writing, you're not only learning writing, reading and everything happening together, okay? Okay. Ta, ya, cha, ka. Okay. Then if you couldn't write fast, you can practice later. Okay. Okay. Now, today let's try. Yeah, McGregor line the McGregor. Dilotang. Can you read this? Dilotang.
Chick. Pa. Re. Pa. Repa. Chikpa repa.
Pa mare pa sa. There is a sa suffix here, right?
Oh, it's a pe. Pe.
No. Ani? Chikpa.
Repe. Chikpa repe.
That's it. Chikpa repe. Chikpa repe. Okay? So when you say repe, you can hear it's some kind of question. Okay? So chikpa repe. Same? Okay? Chikpa repe.
Pencil, that's a new word, no? We haven't.
Re. Chikpa, same. Repe, question. Okay? Actually, I shouldn't translate this, but okay. Chikpa repe. Chikpa repe. Chikpa repe. Okay? That's it. Chikpa repes. Now, let's try. If I ask Enclerla, di thang di chikpa repe. Di thang di chikpa repe.
Re, chikpa re, mare. Lucre.
Okay. So here, chikpa repe. If you understood the question, chikpa repe.
Okay, I don't know what chikpa means.
Okay, same.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Re, chikpa re.
Di thang di chikpa repe.
Chikpa re.
That's it. Di thang di chikpa re, full answer. Okay? Like this. Okay. Double love song. Okay, let's try.
And Tenzila, can you say that the chikpa, how we write it, how does it sound as chick?
Okay, because you can see cha is a
In the center.
category.
Yeah.
So
Cha.
the sound didn't change. Even there is a prefix. Okay?
The prefix is ka, right?
Re.
And the suffix is also ka.
Re. Ni chikpa. Agosunga. Chikpa repe. Okay?
Is it chick or chi?
Chikpa.
Or the ka sound is silent there. Yes, okay.
Yes. It's you
Okay.
can say it little bit like chikpa repe. Chikpa.
Okay. Chikpa. Okay. That means same. Okay.
You know, yang repe. You know, repe is question, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Chikpa repe. Okay.
That's it. Now let's try Jekla in the Jekla. Di thang di chikpa repe. Di thang di chikpa repe.
Di tang di chikpa madre.
That's it. Now Marcelola in the Marcelola. Di thang di chikpa repe.
Mare. Ditandi chikpak mare.
That's it. Okay. Now Yen Hong la in the. You can ask me this question. Okay. Try.
Di thang di chikpa repe.
Mare. Di thang di chikpa mare. Di look re. Di ra re. Okay. That's it. Whatever I said, you all know how to say this. Okay. Di thang di chikpa mare. Di look re. Di ra re. Like this. Okay.
What is D?
Yes, but they are not same. So that's why I'm saying this separately. If they are same, I could say this. Di thang di look re. Chikpa re. Okay?
I'm just again lost. I don't understand why you use ditam D.
This and this. Okay?
Okay.
And this.
How
Okay?
to say and?
Thang. Tha nga thang. Okay? Tha nga thang. No problem. We will come this later again and again. Okay? Okay. Tainda. Rodrigo la inda. Rodrigo la. Di thang di chikpa repe.
Mare. Mare chikpare. Re. Chikpare. Sorry.
Chikpa re. Or you can say di thang di chikpa re. Okay?
Di tang chikpare.
Di thang di. Okay?
Di.
Di thang di chikpa re. Di and di chikpa re. Like this. Okay? Double song. Okay? Rodrigo la inda. Rodrigo la. Di thang di kare re.
Di tang metok re.
Re pe awa. Di thang di metok re.
Metok re.
Re.
Di tang metok re.
Re. di thang di metok re. Okay? Yeah, good love song. Okay. Inda. Let's try Josephine la inda. Josephine la. Josephine la. Di thang di chikpa repe.
Mare. Di thang di chipak mare.
Di khare re.
Di kangpa re.
Di khare re.
Di kure.
Peago. That's it. Okay. Inda. Sonjala inda. Sonjala. Di thang di chikpa repe.
Di chikpa re.
Di thang di chikpa re. Okay?
Di thang di chikpa re.
Di thang di khare re.
Di yure.
Okay. That's it. Yakula song. Inda. Darala inda. Darala.
Yes.
Darala.
Yes.
Di thang di chikpa repe.
Mare. Di thang chikpa re. Di thang hare. Di thang mikre.
Okay. When you say di thang, you have to mention other things. They should be two things, right?
Okay.
This
Okay.
and this. Okay?
Okay.
So,
So
you say di thang di chikpa mare. Okay? Di
okay.
thang di chikpa mare. Di khare re.
Di hare.
Di khare re.
Di mikre.
Di thang di chikpa repe.
Di thang di chikpa repe. Mare. Mare. Di thang di chikpa repe.
Chikpa mare. That's the answer. Okay?
Okay, chikpa mare. Short. Okay, chikpa mare. Okay.
When you say chikpa repe, that's question. Okay?
Okay.
That's it. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. So, in the jipla in the jipla. Jipla par di tha di chikpa repe.
Di thang di chikpa mare.
Di khare re.
Di kangpare. Di kure.
Oh yeah, pay a song. Okay. Okay. Now we understand chikpa repe. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now let's try pronunciation test. I can say some words from my mouth. Let's see if you can write down correctly. Okay? Here, face. Okay? Dongpa. Now I will say the word first, then I will say the spelling. When I say the spelling, you can write it down. Okay? Dongpa. Ka, tha, naro, do, nga, dong, pa, dong pa. Ka, tha, naro, do, nga, dong, pa, dong pa. Okay. Now I will write it down in a little bit. Okay. Let me say it few times again. Ka, tha, naro, do, nga, dong, pa, dong pa. Ka, tha, naro, do, nga, dong, pa, dong pa. Okay. Now I will write down here. Ka. Okay, sorry. Ka. Tha. Naro. Do. Because of the prefix, it became more bass, right? Do. Ka. Tha. Naro. Do. Nga. Dong. Dong. Okay? Ka, tha, naro, do, nga, dong, pa, dong pa. Okay? Dong pa. Here. Mongolian dong pa. Asian dong pa. European dong pa. Agos nga. Red Indian dong pa.
Is it face or?
Face re. Oh yeah. Dong pa. Dong pa. Okay. Then you can see. You are right. Okay, you can correct it. I will read once again. Ka, tha, naro, do, nga, dong, pa, dong pa. Okay. Now, the second one here. Di, di. Okay. Di. Di, khapar re. Di, khapar re. Khapar. Kha. Kha. Pa. Ra. Par. Khapar. Kha. Pa. Ra. Par. Khapar.
Tenzin, is that the words mouth and picture put together?
Re, re. That's it. Now you
I
can
thought
see
so.
mouth photography like this. Okay.
Okay.
But commonly we say phone or telephone or cell phone or whatever. Re, re. Kha. Pa. Ra. Par. Khapar. Okay. Di. Khapar re. Now I'll write down kha. Okay. Ha category. Kha. Pa. Ra. Par. Khapar. Di. Khapar re. Di. Dongpa re. Di thang di. Chikpa mare. Dongpa thang. Khapar. Chikpa mare. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now this one, earring. Okay. We're talking about this earring. Along. Along. Ah. La. Naro. Lo. Nga. Long. Along. Ah. La. Naro. Lo. Nga. Long. Along. Ah. La. Naro. Lo. Nga. Long. Along. Di. Along. Re. Di. Along. Re. Di khare re. Di along re. Di along re pe. Re re. Di along re. Di khapar mare pe. Mare mare. Di khapar mare. Di along re. Okay. Now I'll write down ah, la, naro, lo, nga, long. Along. Okay. Tadinda, yen hongla inda, yen hongla di karere.
Di yak re.
약. 약기 닥쳐하 거기 유배. 스펠링. 스펠링.
One more time.
스펠링 하 거기 유배.
Oh, yak. Ka, ka, ya, ka, yak.
약.
Yak.
Okay. 약. Because of the prefix, it became higher. Okay. That's it. 약. Not yak. Okay. 약. 가, 야, 가, 약. Okay. 약불합성. 디, 약, 레. 디 가레레. 디, 약, 레. 디, 약, 레페. 레, 레. 디, 약, 레. 디, 룩, 마레페. 마레, 마레. 디, 룩, 마레. 디, 약, 레. Okay. 다인다. 디, 옐카, 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 야, 라, 옐, 야, 라, 옐, 카, 옐카, 야, 라, 옐, 카, 옐카, 야, 라, 옐, 카, 옐카.
What is supposed to be a pencil?
The branch re. The branch.
Or dry branch, okay.
Dry branch mare. Branch re. Branch.
All, huh?
Branch. Only branch. Okay.
But, okay, so any branch, okay.
Re. Any branch. Okay. Yelka. Yelka. Di yelka re. Par di yelka re. Ya la yel ka yelka. Okay. Di thang di chikpa mare. Di yelka re. Di yak re. Chikpa mare. Okay. Tainda. Di ngangpa re. Ngangpa. Ngangpa. Okay. Di ngangpa re. Nga. Nga. Ngang. Nga. Nga. Ngang. Nga. Nga. Ngang. Pa. Ngangpa. Di ngangpa re. Okay. Nga, ngang, pa, ngangpa. Okay.
Yellow means that the answer is correct, right?
Kari?
Serpo don dak karere.
Kari.
Serpo.
Re.
Dondak.
Serpo the correct re. If I write pa, serpo yuma re. Okay? Nang pa.
Haklısın. Hocam.
Olas.
can I ask why
Yeah.
at,
Mm.
behind at the face picture there's like this line at the end, and at the rest of the pictures there's just I can't remember the name.
Oh,
The
sorry.
little dot.
Right, dot or this, whichever you want. Okay.
Okay, it's the same.
They're not the same. This one is when you finish with something, we write like this. Okay.
Mhm.
Or when I'm writing different options, like this serves as a and. You don't have to write thang again. Okay. So you can say dongpa, kapar like this. Okay. And the dot is just the tek. Okay. That's it. That long one is serves as a like when you finish the sentence, we write this. Okay. For example, you can here after the finished sentence, you can see here the long one. Okay. You don't see
And
the
what's the name of that? What's it called? The long one?
called she. Okay. We didn't come across sha yet, but we will come. Okay. So it's called sha ta she. That's it. Okay. Hola. So you can see here at the end of the sentence. Okay. Just like that. Dongpa. Okay. Yes.
Tenzin-la.
Yes.
Ngalachiwayo.
Yes. Laptang.
Donpa. Dankha. Chikparepe.
Mare. Dongpa thang ka chikpa mare. Dongpa dire de. Dongpa. If you can see my video, Dongpa. Ka. Hakosan. Yes. Oh, okay. Di ka re. Di dongpa re. Okay. That's it. Oh yeah. Inda. Marcelo la. Di thang di chikpa repe.
Mare, ditandi chikpak repe. Di dompare and di kapare.
Chikpa mare. Okay. Inda. Chipla chipla. Chipla inda. Di thang di chikpa repe.
Di thang di chikpa mare.
Di karere.
Di yelka.
Re. Di yelka.
Di yelka. Di yakre.
Di yakre. Okay. Alona la inda. Alona la di karere.
Di yakre.
Di karere.
Di yelkare.
Di thang di chikpa repe.
Di tan di chikpa mare.
That's it. Okay. Oh yeah. Rodrigo la. Di karere.
Dikar along re.
Re. Di along re. Di
Along re.
karere.
Dikar kapar re.
Di thang di chikpa repe.
Mare. Ditang kapar o ditang
Di
along.
Di chikpa mare. Okay.
Chikpa mare.
When you say thang, you have to say the other option. Di and di. Di thang di chikpa mare. Di kapar re, di along re. That's it. Yeah,
Di kapar.
Josephine la. Inda. Di karere. Par di karere.
Par di dong pare.
Par di karere.
Par di capare.
Di tang di chikpa repe.
Di tang di chikpa mare.
Di tang di chikpa mare. Peo. That's it. Yagul song. Okay. Ta nyurmala inda. Nyurmala. Di
La.
karere.
Di ngang pare.
Di karere.
Di 열 카레.
Di tang di chikpa repe.
Di tang di chikpa mare.
Yagul song. Oh, las. Oh. Ta inda. McGregor la inda. McGregor la. Par di karere.
Par di kapare.
Par di karere.
Par di yakre.
Di tang di chikpa repe.
Mare. Di tang di chikpa mare.
Di yak repe.
Mare. Di yak mare. Di kapare.
Di kapar repe.
Re. Di kapare.
Oh yeah. Okay. The Rodrigo la younger in the again in the Rodrigo la. Di karere.
Di yel ka re. Di yel ka re.
Di yel kare. Di karere.
Di yakre.
Di yak repe.
Di direre. Dire.
Re. Di yak re.
Di yakre. Re.
That's it. Now, di thang di chikpa repe.
Mare. Di yel kare tang di yakre.
That's it. But here you make mistake. Don't say thang after you said re. Okay? Because when you said re, you finished the sentence already. So you can say thang. Okay? Thang is only used as an end between two objects. Not like after the end of the sentence. Okay?
Okay, so re concludes sentence.
Yes. Okay? You can say thang like this. Yelka, di yelka re, di yak re. Yelka, thang, yak, chikpa, mare. Okay?
Okay.
That's a common mistake. Okay? So I forgot to mention thang is only between the object, not after you finish the sentence. Okay? When you say re, di, yelka, re, you finish the sentence, right? That's it. Okay. Any question? Chiwa Yobe. Okay. Remember. That's it. Now, new question here, okay? Today we learned chikpa repe. Okay? Now here, let's read chepla in the chipla. Chepla dilothang. Can you read this?
Ha ko song nge.
Ha ko songe. Ha ko songe. Okay? That's a question. Okay? Saying understood. Okay? Ha ko songe. Ha ko songe. Ha kanaroko sa naroso nga song nga sa nge ha ko song nge. Okay, that's it. Then answer will be ha ko song or ha ko ma song. Okay. Ha ko song or ha ko ma song. Okay, that's it.
So hako song means understood or understand.
Re, stood re.
Okay.
Past tense re.
Past tense.
Re. Ha ko song, ha ko ma song. Okay. Tiwa.
Can you explain what in the sentence is past tense?
Because here song is indicate past tense. Okay. In this text. Okay. Is that clear? Song is something past. Okay. Hako song, hako ma song.
What does hako mean?
Yeah, exactly. I was going to ask that. What is hako?
Okay. Hako, just separate. If I separate this, then it's like to know or understood. Okay. Like this. And songe is a question. Okay. Question in past tense. Okay, hako, like this. So in hako, that's it. Shepa, hako. That's it. To know. Okay.
Is it possible to ask Shepa songe?
That's it. She songe. Okay. Instead of shepa, she songe. Then you can say she song, she ma song. Or hako songe, hako song, hako ma song. Right now you won't know she because we didn't did sha yet. Okay. It will come. But yes, your question is right. She songe. Okay. She songe, hako songe, chikpare. Chikpare. Okay.
So when you say hako songe, so the reply is hako mare, if you don't understand.
Hako ma song here. Ma song.
Okay, hako ma song. Okay. And then if you understand what I say, hako songre.
Then you just say hako song. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. That's it.
Tenzin,
Yes, please.
If I want to make this question in present time, I cannot use song, for example.
This question always comes in the past tense, I think. But if you want to, okay, then
like do you know?
Yes,
for example.
For that we can say hakoki duke, but we will come later. It will more confusing. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, that we will come. I will do all the tense, how to differentiate this and properly in the rule. I will give. So later we will be clear.
Is this a you question? Like, did you understand?
Yeah, that's it.
So where is you in the question?
There is no. It's like just.
Oh, there is none.
It's like understood.
Did understand. Okay.
Understood? Like this. Just this. Okay. Right now. Then the answer here, short form, understood, or like this, negative. Okay. My English not good. Okay. Okay.
And can I just ask one more question? Is it the nge at the end that makes it a question?
Yes, that's it. Nge or pe. We found repe, pe made a question. Here nge made a question. Okay. Sometimes it will come K. That we will come later. Okay. But here right now, ha kosong nge, ha kosong, ha kosong. Okay, that's it. For example, let's try. We are talking about this picture. Okay. Let's try Jake and me. Yeah. Jake, D, Tenzin. Okay. Yeah.
Di Carrere.
Hakoma song.
Di Nangpa Re.
Nangpa. Yeah. Okay. This picture. Okay. Can you read again, Yanker?
Di Nangpa Re.
Ale. Ta hakosong. Ta hakosong. Like this. Okay. So you can see Ale is like a gesture. Yeah. Okay. And ta here indicates now. Okay. In this sentence, it's a short form of tata. So just now, you just put this all together and write now I understood. Ta hakosong. Okay, now understood. Ale ta hakosong. Ale ta hakosong. Okay.
Can you enlarge the words? Cannot see from the picture here on the laptop.
Yes, yes, please. Okay.
Okay. Ale. Ha. O.
La dengule.
Yeah. Ale. Ha.
Ha kosong. Okay. Like this. Yeah, Nurmala and the Nurmala. Di Tenzin, di Nurma. Yeah. Di Karere.
Hakomasong.
Di Ngangpa Re.
Ale ta hakosong.
That's it. A whole of song. The Jepla in the Jepla. Di Jepla, di Tenzin in the
Di Carrere.
Hakoma song.
Di Ngangpare.
Ale ta hakosong. That's it. Okay. In the Nimala. Di
Who is the first?
Di Tenzin, di Nima in the Di Karere.
Hagoma song?
Di Ngangpa Re.
Ale ta hakosong.
Peago. Okay, one more in the di in the di Tenzin in the yeah.
Di Carrere.
Hakoma song.
Di Nambare.
Ale ta hakosong. Okay. That's it. Yeah, di in the and Claire in the. Let's go to the next one. So it's right now it's fill in the blank. Okay, let's fill the sentence. We're talking about. Okay, 1 minute. We're talking about this picture. Okay, and in the di N la di nga inda. Okay.
Okay. Di care.
Finish the sentence.
Di carepe.
Di kare re. Okay.
Di care re. Okay.
Di kare re. You asking me question,
Di
right?
carere. Yeah, di carere. Di carere.
Hako masong.
Di yakre.
Di yakre. Ale ta hako song. Okay.
Re.
Oh yeah. Yagula song. Yeah, McGregor la inda.